Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize ramp for company cards and expense automation step by. To begin authorizing ramp for company cards and expense automation, first, navigate to the ramp website. Log into your ramp account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the settings section on the left-hand menu. Click on settings to access various configuration options. In the settings menu, find and select company cards. Here, you will see an option to add or authorize new cards. Click on Add Card or Authorize Card as applicable. You will be prompted to enter the card details. Fill in the card number, expiration date, and security code. Next, enter the name associated with the card and the billing address. Once all information is entered correctly, click on Save or Authorize. Your card will now be processed for authorization. After processing, check for any confirmation notifications on the screen. If authorization is successful, the card will appear in your list of company cards. Next, to enable expense automation, return to the Settings menu. Select Expense Management from the available options. Here, you can configure how expenses will be tracked and managed. Toggle on options for automated expense categorization and tracking. Follow any additional prompts to customize settings as needed. Once configured, ensure to review and save all changes. Afterward, go back to your dashboard to confirm that everything is set up correctly. You are now authorized for company cards and expense automation with Ramp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.